Hey everybody, it's Charlotte with the Wood & Wick Co. Today on Maker's Moments, I'll be answering the question, do my candles need to cure? A question as old as time. I have had so many customers and also people on social media reach out wondering if their candles need to cure. Well, it's a two-part answer and I'm going to finally reveal it to you guys today. There are many types of waxes out there in the marketplace: 100% soy, coconut, palm, paraffin, apricot, and many others, as well as blends of all of these waxes combined. So your two-part answer is, with 100% soy wax and vegetable wax or any natural blends, it's best to wait several days for those waxes to reach complete molecular stability. Basically what this means is that the molecules can still be moving after your wax has been heated for several days until it's fully cured. So, this can affect burn performance and it can also affect your hot and cold throw. This is why many candle manufacturers wait several days to do any burn testing, evaluation, or shipping of their products when using natural waxes. Paraffin, on the other hand, reaches molecular stability as soon as it has reached thermodynamic equilibrium. AKA, as soon as it's cooled, paraffin wax is ready to use, burn, and evaluate. Now that you finally have the answer on if your candles cure or not, let me know in the comments below what type of wax you use and why you use it. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!